In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Google Chrome full screen. Vertical bar maximize your viewing area. Going full screen in Google Chrome is a simple way to reduce distractions and give more space to the content you are viewing. It is especially useful when you are reading an article, presenting something on your screen, or watching a video and you want the page to take up the entire display. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop shortcut, your taskbar, or your applications list, depending on your operating system. Give it a moment to launch fully so the window is responsive. Next, choose a web page you want to view in full screen. You can type a website address into the address bar at the top, use a bookmark, or click a link you already have open. Wait for the page to finish loading so you can see the content clearly, before switching display modes. This helps you confirm you are on the right page and that everything is ready. Now, to make Chrome full screen, press the F11 key on your keyboard. As soon as you do, Chrome will expand to fill your entire monitor. The tabs, address bar, and bookmarks bar will disappear from view, and the web page will become the main focus. This is normal, and it is the main benefit of full screen mode because it maximizes your viewing area and removes extra interface elements. If you need access to your tabs or the address bar while staying in full screen, move your mouse to the very top of the screen. Chrome will briefly reveal the top bar so you can switch tabs or see the site address, and then it will hide again when you move away. This makes it easy to navigate without fully leaving full screen. When you are ready to exit full screen, press F11 again. Chrome will return to its normal window view, and you will see your tabs and toolbars exactly as before. That covers everything you need to know.